Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Bobby, and on today's episode I'm going to take a look at the SANSI Stellar Floodlight camera. You can purchase these on Amazon from SANSI on Amazon, and I provided a link in the description to this video that you can click on and go to purchase this light, and also a discount code that you can enter in at the checkout where you can get a 20% discount. So I'm going to unbox this. It's going to come in a box that looks like this from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead on there and unbox it. And it's going to be a box in a box. Alright. This is what you're going to get. It's going to look just like this. It says Stellar Cam. Stellar Cam is an intelligent security lighting system with a mobile phone. Users can control the light and the camera. Motion alerts on your phone, HD live video with voice calls, smart light control, high capacity video storage. One-step app does everything. Setup, motion sensor, watch over your home, sound that has a siren on it. You can control the light from your phone. It has scheduled lighting, secure your home and feel safe, instant motion notifications, so if it detects motion out in your yard or something, wherever the camera's detected, it'll let you know. It'll give you an alert on your phone. It's infrared night vision, and you can manage and organize your videos in the app. As a weather resistant design. And get in the app. iOS users search Stellar Cam in the App Store. Android users search Stellar Cam in the Google Play Store. And it says it is the Stellar Cam model C244-LW. It has a 120 watt volt input, and you can take this right here, and it comes with a mounting bracket, the Stellar camera, and a user manual. And basically what you're going to do is you're just going to use it to replace your porch light. So it's just 3 wires. It's your hot, your negative, and your ground wire. And it's hardwired. It's going to be right hooked into the side of your house, just like a light. And it's got 2 spotlights right here, and you can aim them in different directions. And the camera's also adjustable. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. And again, that's the name of the company, SANSI. And you can go to Amazon and purchase this light. Follow the link in the description box for this video, and go on, and it'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase this. And also, I've left a discount code that you can enter at the checkout, and you can get 20% off your purchase. So opening the box, what I'm seeing is a SANSI card, and then there's a little bit of some words on the back about congratulations and stuff. It says, congratulations, you are sincerely invited to become a SANSI Moonlight Club VIP member. You receive, and it's got an offer on the back. Comes with an instruction manual, a gasket. Let's see here. And that's what it looks like inside the box. Right there. So I'm going to take it out of the box. So you got your camera and your lights. I'm going to turn around, go ahead and turn these around so we can look at those. And let's see what this is. It's an installation kit. And that's just a couple of wire nuts, a little bracket that you're going to have that's going to go into 2 screws, the same as, all you got to do is just take your porch light off, put this little plate on, run these couple of screws and a couple of wire nuts, and you have this hooked up simple and easy in a couple of minutes. So your light, each one of your adjustable lights right here, it has 4 LED pods inside of it. It's got your camera that's adjustable like that, a little antenna on it, and you can aim these lights in any direction that you want like that. And another cool feature about these lights is that when you're on your phone and and somebody comes up to you, you can see it's got night vision, so you can see what's going on outside at night, because these lights are bright. They're going to light stuff up. And also, if you're not at home, or if you're at home, you can talk to whoever's out in your yard if there's somebody at your door through the speaker. And if And if something's not going right out there and something looking funny and you know you need to send it off, it has a siren that you can activate from your phone that'll alert people around you and stuff. If it's your neighbors or something, let you know that something's going wrong. And basically it's just these 3 wires for hooking it up right here. A green one, a black one, and a white one. And that's what it looks like. Just like that. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to have a little tutorial video on how to hook this up, and then I'm going to download the application on a phone, and then we're going to go over the features and stuff like that and test this light out, and we're going to test the talking feature, the siren, see how the lights work at nighttime like that. We're going to test all these different features out and stuff like that in a video, and I'm going to install this right here, just like that, and that's what we're going to go do next. So don't forget, go to Amazon.com and get your SANSI Stellar Light camera, where you can also click on the link in the description for this video and get your discount code and enter it in at your checkout. Get 20% off at Amazon for these lights. So now we're going to go ahead on and test these lights and see, and do an installation video and see how that works out. Add that these come with a 1-year replacement warranty, and they also have excellent customer service that has a response time of anywhere below 24 hours. Also, because they have ceramic heat cooling system inside of the lights, they're guaranteed to last somewhere at least close to 50,000 hours, which is a lot of use. So they come with a warranty, and they have a long lifespan on these lights, so you're not going to have to change light bulbs on your porch anymore. First thing you want to do is install this metal plate right here. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. That's right. The next thing you want to do is take this gasket and fish your wires to it, like that. Look at that right there. I want to go ahead and hook up my wires. Black. And the white. Just like that. And your ground wire. Just like that. Long screws is provided in your installation kit. You're going to stick it in this hole and line it up with your metal bracket, and take a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it up. Just like that. Alright, now you can turn and adjust your lights the way you want them. Angle your camera up. And now I'm going to go ahead on and just flip them on and get a little test to see how if they're working. And they are. And that's what it looks like. Now we're going to go over installing the application on your phone and the control part of it. All right. So this is the app that you're going to install on your phone. You can put this either on an iPhone or an Android phone, and this is an Android phone. And in the app, it has your siren to alert you if someone's trying to break in. It has motion alerts. It has your light setting right there, where I can click that and it turns the light on, turns the lights out on the front. It has your device health, event history, light settings, motion settings, and it also has something called live view. And if you turn it around, you're going to see what the camera, this is what the camera's seeing right here on the phone. It's seeing that front. See if you can wait to see a car go by. So you can see the cars go by. And it also records, and you can share it, you can save it on the internal memory. Police car just went by. And if someone comes up to the front door, you can speak to them and ask them what they want, and they can hear you, but they can't see you, but you can see them. And there's someone on a bicycle, you know, and you can get this from SANSI on Amazon, and I provided a discount code in the description box for this video. So like the video and share it, and go on Amazon and click the link in the description box for this video and get you one of these motion stellar cameras, lights. Let's see here. We'll go ahead on now and go back. And you can see right there it says front, and you set up the device. Now if I had multiple ones, if I decided that I wanted to have one on the front, one on the side, and one in the back, when you're setting up the device, it has a place where you can click to say whether it's in the front, the back, or the side. And in this case, I just got one in the front. So if you had multiple ones, it would show up in this window right here, and you would say, okay, I want to see the back, I want to see the front, or whatever, and you could do that. Pretty neat. So as far as my review goes, what I would have to say about this is I would rate it very high, maybe a 9 or a 10, and I would definitely recommend it for you to go get you one. So y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to go in the description box and click on the link where you can get one of these, and don't forget your discount code.